Okay, I got a 2010 Toyota Corolla 1.8 engine. I got the setup here to this is ground, this is power. I'm gonna just put power and ground to the fuel pump. I'm gonna show you what a bad fuel pump current waveform looks like. I already diagnosed this car. Complaint was low power. When I hooked up the scan tool, it only had a misfire number 4. But then, as I just let it run in the bay, it set more codes. It started running bad. It set misfires and a lean code, and I diagnosed it as a bad fuel pump. Here's the waveform, and I'm gonna show you what the a good one looks like. I got the meter. I got an amp probe here, low amp probe. I'm just gonna hook it up. Okay, it's backwards. Okay, there it is. Alright, that's what it looks like in here. You can see it's low amps, 2.4 amps, and you know, the waveform doesn't look neat. Don't look right. That's pause right there. So I'm gonna install the new one and do the same test. I'll be back. Here's the after shot of the new pump installed. You can see the amperage a lot higher and looks better.